Now, I'm no expert, but that looks a little suspect being so crooked like that. Stand up straight. We need you straight. Don't want to fall down. Hit the subscribe button, smash that like button each video, dislike it if you choose, unsubscribe if you want, whatever. You're here, we appreciate it. Just watch the video, put a comment down below on what you like or want to see different next time, but just take the time to enjoy this day. Super grateful as always. You guys keep being awesome, keep being amazing, and keep influencing the world. Oh yeah, welcome back or to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. We are here. We're kind of having like a garage clean out type of day here. We are getting the Duramax cleaned up and we're gonna put one missing detail to really finalize the rebuild thing that we forgot. Remember, we had 8 pages of parts that we ordered with the body shop. So I understand we forgot to order one thing, but it might be a blessing in disguise because I think this is kind of cool. So first things first, we're gonna get this bad boy cleaned up and then we're gonna get ready to do this minor little install, but sometimes it's the little things. So here we go. So anyways, you guys know the deal. We got her cleaned up there. Those are kind of the after clips, but this is kind of what we use. Got Renegade products, little turtle wax, little armor. I'll kind of use a variety of products. A lot of stuff I've had, you know, from like Dollar General, Walmart. But otherwise, you know, I noticed online the Renegade stuff, so kind of want to, you know, branch out and help some other YouTubers out, so we bought that stuff. But anyways, let's talk more about what we're going to do. So, it might be kind of hard to tell, but check out the hood. The hood is brand spanking new, but looky here. Where is the decal, the Duramax decal? You know what? We forgot it when we went to order, and it just doesn't look right without it. It's got all the other badging just fine, but it is missing that minor detail, and I kind of wanted it on there. I kind of wanted to leave it deleted. I don't know. What would you guys do? Anyways, we are going to put it on just to be safe. I think it needs it. So anyways, here are the badges we went with. We're going to go with black ones, believe it or not, because I wasn't sure I wanted them at all. So anyways, we do got the Allison in white, but look at that, Duramax in all black. I believe these are supposed to go on like the white or the lighter colored trucks, but we got a black truck. We're going to black it out. It's going to be cool. At least it's on there. If we hate it, we can rip it off later. So we're kind of going to look online here, just kind of get the placement close and then measure out so the other side is just right. That way everything looks good. So we're going to get the GoPro on and we're going to put these bad boys on. Here we go. Think, man, I actually really like it. That looks super sick. It's just kind of subtle. Here, let me back up a little bit. Sorry, it's windy again today, like every day here. And we got this thing cleaned up, you know. And go figure, it's gonna rain the next 3 days straight here. I don't know about you guys, but that's always what seems to happen when you wash your vehicle. So anyways, look at that. Looks cool. I can put the link on there too where I got it from. Amazon special, baby. That way if it wears out, we'll just get another one. But I know it's kind of what do you prefer type of thing, because every other emblem on here is chrome, and then we did a chrome delete for a black, but looks good. I'm pumped about it. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna lie guys, those letters definitely were super sticky. The adhesive on there was top notch. I don't know if it was 3M or what they used, but that stuff was on there solid. Actually, almost to a fault, because I went to try to adjust the letters just so slightly and they wouldn't even freaking budge. So I doubt these things are coming off. We'll see how long they last, see if the color fades or anything over the next couple of years. But for now, super pumped about it. Okay, next. So then I was cleaning out like the paperwork and stuff from the truck from all the things we had going on. But check this out. Look at that invoice. $18,956 spent at Jackson Auto Body, getting this bad boy cleaned up from the wreck. But this is what I wanted to show you guys. I don't know how many of you are like very good with frames or frame stretching or anything like that, but look at these details. This is what we were looking at before measurements. This is going to show exactly how far out of whack the truck was after it got in the collision, and then what they got it dialed into at the end. So I don't know if any of you understand these things. I definitely don't. I'm not good with math, but obviously you can tell it took a hell of a hit. And yeah, what do you guys think of this, if you know what you're talking about? Pretty cool. Then we had our invoice from our brakes and rotors. Spent about $700 there. Rent-a-car paperwork, $30 or so a day for 70 days or whatever. So we spent a fortune trying to get this truck back, but we got it back, thank God. And my brain is just always on go mode, always all over the place. So as I'm thinking of things, I'm just kind of saying it. But now that we do have a couple hundred subscribers here on the channel, I do want to get to know you guys more. So please drop some love in the comments below. Tell me what you're into. Tell me what you want to see more of. We got a lot going on this spring and summer. What do you guys have going on? Do you have big plans, big investments, big trips, big shows? What are you going to? What do you want to see? We're about to take a family vacation to Florida coming up soon. We'll take you guys with us. It'll be an absolute riot. And then when we get back, we'll definitely be shopping for that car that we've been keeping a secret, kind of, and we've been telling you all about. Secret and telling you. I don't know. But we're shopping for a car. I'm super excited to get back into that. Got to save up some money. Been spending a ton lately. Sorry, I've been working crazy hours and trying to grow the budget back up to where it needs to be, and then we'll have a lot of fun coming up soon. All right, anywho guys, that'll probably wrap up the little modification we got there, but next we're gonna do a yard project if you wanna stick around with us. See on the side of the driveway here, we got this big hole here that's all washed out. We need to backfill this with some dirt. So we are gonna take the Duramax here and get the old dump trailer hooked up, and we're gonna bring a trailer load of dirt in here and try to backfill this, so that way we can have some nice grass growing with the rest of the yard. And we did stop down at the local True Value here and pick up some nice grass seeds, some fine sun and shade. Gonna plant some new grass, let it grow in here for springtime. Oh my gosh, and just for a minute, can we appreciate the white high country with the Goosey hauling the tractor? Oh my gosh, it's the wrong color. It's gotta be green, but look at that setup. We definitely gotta get a Goosey someday. Man, that thing is sick. All right, and we just rolled up at G-Paz, and it looks like he's already got us hooked up with the trailer with the dirt already in it. Wow, look at that. That's gonna be just perfect for what we need. Don't laugh at the dump trailer, it does its job. I know it ain't all that to look at, but hydraulic lift and everything, that is great. Looks like we got the battery charger on it right now. Gonna make sure this beast is gonna wanna lift up, and then we'll get it set up, hooked up to the Duramax here, and haul this bad boy home. But real quick guys, this is not gonna be the towing video that I promised you guys. This little trailer here is not what I was talking about while we're gonna do the towing, testing, first tow in the Duramax. Whatever, we got a bigger trailer for that. This one we'll just tow home and act like we know what we're doing and won't go too into detail. Save that for the next video or whenever we do it. It might not be right next, but it'll get done. Here. Now, I don't know if we're going to need all this dirt or not. We might have to bring some back or figure out what to do with all the excess, but we're definitely going to have what we need here. That is awesome. Look at all that nice dirt. And we better pick out a hitch, too, assuming we got one in here somewhere. And look at that, $2 for a 2-inch ball hitch. And that's what the trailer says it is, too. And we got this nice little reducer, because when you slide that in there, it just kind of flaps all around. This bad boy ought to reduce it down and make it snug. just like that, we're back. A successful voyage, and now we got plenty of dirt to fill in this area. So we're gonna go get a quick bite of food here before we start, so we got plenty of energy. And yeah, stay tuned. We'll get right to this thing. And voila, here's a nice little shot of where we're at on the Progress. Got it nice and level with the driveway now, all compacted down with the John Deere. But we still got to put the grass seed in there, get a little fine topsoil put on top, and then get some grass seed on there. But yeah, that looks absolutely awesome. Check out all the roots, picking those out as we go. And then the trailer, about half empty right now. You can see it nice in tilt mode. Didn't want to dump it all over the driveway, but yep, just shoveling it in. Nice little exercise, nice little fresh air. Beautiful, beautiful day for a yard project. Who loves them? Okay, and it's time for the final thing here. A little bit of wow. Whoa, look at it come out of there. But yep, we're gonna hose it on down, and this project's gonna be capped off. All right, I had to put some sunscreen on too, because I'm damn near getting sunburn out here already, which is great to get ready for Florida. Tori's super tan. I am super not. But anyways, I'll stop yanking you guys around. I just wanted to show you a little bit of this spring little activity out here in the yard. I love being outside. I know a lot of you probably do too. But anyways, bear with me. We'll probably do a lot of these little project things. I'll take you guys with us, you know, as we build the channel. I mean, it's fun. It doesn't always have to be truck stuff all the time. So thank you guys so much again for the support. It'd mean a great deal to me if you would hit the thumbs up button. Really help to grow the channel. Again, every little bit helps. Subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.